In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the XLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to quickly find the price of any sports product from a list, using XLOOKUP makes it fast, accurate, and efficient. Let's go through how this works using a practical example with a sports equipment price table. First, imagine we have a list of products and their corresponding prices. This includes items like football, basketball, tennis balls, soccer ball, ping pong balls, volleyball, badminton racket, baseball, hockey stick, and trampoline. Each product has a price next to it, and we want to easily retrieve these prices without manually searching the table. To start, open your Excel sheet with your product table ready. Make sure your products are in one column and the prices are in the column next to it. For example, football is $25, basketball is $30, tennis balls $15, soccer ball, $28, and so on. Each product and price pair should line up in the table for accuracy. Now, select the cell where you want the price to appear when you search for a product. Enter the XLOOKUP formula. The first part is the lookup value, which is the product you want the price for. For example, if you want the price of a volleyball, type in the cell reference that contains volleyball. Next, define the lookup array, which is the column that contains the list of products. Then define the return array, which is the column containing the prices. Excel will then search through the products and return the corresponding price from the prices column. Once you press Enter, the XLOOKUP function will instantly show the price of the product you searched for. For instance, if you searched for badminton racket, it will return $35. If you try soccer ball, it will return $28. This works for all the products, including baseball at $18, hockey stick at $40, and even trampoline at $120. Using XLOOKUP in this way saves you time, ensures accuracy, and avoids scrolling through long lists. You can also copy the formula to look up different products without rewriting it each time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.